Welcome back everyone. In this video we will add one more get API, that is with the URL get all file names, where you will get all the file names that are present within this files folder. Let's get started. Within this server add one more get method where you will get all the file names that are present in this file folder. Add one more get API request. This get API with a path get all files instead of file names. This will return all the file names that are present here in the files folder. To get all the file names that are present in the files folder, you import the module path. So constant path that with NodeJS importing syntax are required, and the path name of the module is path. Here within this method, when the user makes get request and which matches this URL get all file names, this call invokes the function and takes the parameter request object and the response object. Inside the function body, create the constant that is the directory path, and you have the method called join, and this dir name is an environment variable that will give you the path to the directory where the currently executing file is there, and you just add these files. It will return the absolute path to the files folder, and that will be in the directory path. Within this FS module, with this file system, we have the function that is read dir, and the directory path it is given, and the function that has, if the any error is found, that will return in the console unable to scan the directory, otherwise it will be sent as a response.send the files. These files will be the file names. Start this server, open one more terminal here and type cd src cd backend and type node app.js, and now my express server is started. From this main module you will make an get request to this get all file names, so that you will get all the file names that are present in the files folder. It will be displayed in the recent founds. Here you just open the main body.js file and import this use state from the React library, and inside this main body component create the constant files, and the set files is the function that will update the state of the component with the files variable, and this is the asynchronous code that will be making the API request to the server that is running in my express. This is the express server 9000 port. This is the URL for which you are making that request. You just copy that and go to the browser and make a call to this. You just remove this. Here you got the file name that it is with the ID and the .json. This is the file name that it is in the file folder. Like this, it returns all the file names that are present there. Our browser can handle only get requests. If you want to check that post put APIs, you have to use the Postman tools. Import this Axios from Axios library, and here you create the variable request, and this is await keyword and axios.get with a URL just passed as an argument to this, and and also create the file names, and the request data will be the response that we got from the server, and we will update the component with the file names. Now this variable file will hold all the file names that are available within this files folder. In the main body.js file, within the content main body docs, call the map function on files array. The main job of this map function is to take this array and run the anonymous function on each and every item and returns the transformed card element for the every item that are in the files array, and also add the on click event to this every item, and call the function navigate to, and this takes the parameter doc name, and it will be split into the array because the document name will be like this. The first part will be the id, and the second one is the JSON extension, and later after transforming it, after splitting, we get the two items, id one thing and the JSON as another plot, that is the string, and this history.push will navigate to the other page. Loading my app into the browser, here you got the card element with the id, that is the document id that is created. After clicking this item, it's just not working. Just go to the file, change this name to element ele. Now save the file. On clicking this card element, navigate to method will be triggered, and we will navigate to the other page, that is the question form, where you can see the question, and also you can add some few more questions into this file.